Best 10 foods to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. The kidneys are essential organs that assume an urgent part in separating and disposing of byproducts from the body. Kidney sickness is mind-boggling. As a matter of fact, the main source of kidney sickness is high glucose or diabetes. Hypertension is the number 2 reason for kidney disappointment. Something as simple as dehydration can cause kidney failure as well. Being very dehydrated can actually lead to dialysis, and many people don't know that. There are numerous things you can do to assist with advancing kidney well-being and to dial back the movement of kidney infection. Eating the best natural product for kidneys is one of them, since organic products can really assist with decreasing the irritation in your kidneys and assist with purifying your kidneys. Maintaining a healthy diet that includes a variety of fruits can contribute to overall kidney health. Here are 10 fruits that are generally considered healthy and can be part of a balanced diet. 1. Apples. Apples, beyond being yummy, tart, and juicy, apples are an excellent source of fiber. The fiber in apples is exceptional at binding to and removing toxins from the digestive tract before the body can absorb them, lessening the load on the kidneys. Apples also reduce inflammation and cholesterol. Apples are loaded with vitamins and minerals, and high in vitamin C, helps improve kidney function. 2. Papaya. The potassium present in the fruit is a huge supporter of kidney health. It cleans out the toxins deposited in the kidneys and reduces the accumulation of uric acid in the blood. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain that is known to aid digestion. 3. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants and low in calories, blueberries may offer various health benefits, including potential support for kidney health. 1 cup of blueberries contains 114 grams of potassium and 18 milligrams of phosphorus. Blueberries are also good for helping to lower blood pressure naturally, and we know that high blood or hypertension is a leading cause of kidney disease. It also helps to reduce your risk for urinary tract infections and bladder infections. 4. Cranberries. Cranberries are another one of the best fruits for your kidneys that can help promote kidney health. Fresh cranberries have antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and, of course, help prevent or slow down the progression of kidney disease. Cranberries can also reduce your risk of urinary tract infections, help to bind to bacteria, and keep the bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract or of your bladder. 5. Lemons. Lemon juice also filters blood and flushes out wastes and other toxins. Daily intake of diluted lemon juice reduces the rate of kidney stone formation and dissolves calcium oxalate crystals, which is the most common constituent of kidney stones. Another benefit of lemons is that they have high potassium. And again, if you have high potassium in your diet, the more potassium you take in, the more sodium you urinate out, and that can help to lower your blood pressure. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants. They can be a nutritious addition to your diet. Rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative damage. Strawberries contain antioxidants and natural compounds that may support kidney health by promoting detoxification and reducing inflammation. 7. Pineapple. Good source of vitamin C boost, which helps boost the immune system. Pineapples are so delicious, sweet, low in calories, and a wonderful fruit. But what you may not know is that pineapples contain an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to decrease inflammation in the kidneys and promote healthier kidneys. 8. Pomegranate. Both the juice and seeds of pomegranate contain large amounts of potassium, and therefore are effective in removing kidney stones. Potassium lowers acidity of urine, prevents stone formation because of its astringent properties, curtails crystallization of minerals, and flushes out toxins and waste from the kidneys. 9. Cherries. Cherries all help protect and cleanse the kidneys. 1 cup of cherries per day has been shown to decrease inflammation. That alone can be a great reason to include them in your renal diet. However, like the other berries mentioned in this article, cherries do much heavy lifting in the antioxidant department and provide phytochemicals for optimal kidney health. 10. Grapes. They're so sweet, delicious, and low in calories. They can be a tasty and hydrating snack. Grapes contain antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Grapes have a high water content, which, again, will help you to stay hydrated and help to flush toxins from the kidneys. While these fruits can be part of a healthy diet, it's essential to focus on an overall balanced and varied diet, stay hydrated, and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on kidney health. If you have kidney-related concerns, it's crucial to seek guidance from a healthcare professional rather than relying solely on dietary changes.
Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and support our channel Miss Healthy.